In this video, we're going to talk about the 15 keys to being successful in real estate investing. Number one, have a plan of action. Your plan of action is going to be your roadmap to keep you going and focused. Number two, have an in-depth understanding of your market. Knowing what the market is up to can help you make smarter investing decisions. Learn about if it's a buyer's market, a seller's market, how quickly homes are selling, are home prices going up, are home prices going down, which neighborhoods are benefiting the most with home values going higher, so that you can make informed decisions when looking for good neighborhoods to invest in. Number three, be highly ethical. Building relationships and trust is important to be a successful investor and a successful business owner. So do what you say you're going to do and be on time. Number four, find your niche and master it. You want to get really good at one specific strategy in real estate to make yourself successful much quicker than trying to spread yourself thin doing many different strategies. Number five, encourage referrals. If you can convince your network to refer you business, you'll have lots of business coming in over time. Your network is going to be the lifeblood of your business. This can be in different forms as well. People sending you deals, known as leads, or people providing you capital, letting you borrow money from them to be able to promote purchasing more properties quicker, or maybe different services that they're lending to you. Number six, continuing education. Learn something new every day, every week to add to your arsenal. Keep up to date on laws, regulations, development plans in your city. Number seven, be tax smart. Understanding real estate tax laws can help you save thousands of dollars on your income taxes. Number eight, have a mentor to turn to for guidance. Having someone who's already achieved success in real estate investing or as a business owner can be there as a support guide for you to give you advice when times are tough and to help save you many headaches and failures. Number nine, have a polished network. Hire the best talent. Make sure you have a great accountant, a great attorney, a great property manager, a great real estate agent, great contractors. Having a strong team around you will further help your real estate investing business succeed. Number 10, automation. You want to develop different systems for scaling your business through automation. Take yourself out of the equation, you only have so much time in a day. So if you can build systems to help automate aspects of your business, you can learn to leverage these systems to do work for you so that you can work smarter, not harder, and your business will grow as a result. Number 11, access to capital. Continue to build up a list of possible investors or lenders that you can turn to for funding different real estate deals. Improve your relationships with these different bankers and mortgage brokers and private investors so that you can get the lowest interest rates on your debt financing with them, and you can get good terms on the equity side when you're partnering with people as equity investors. But by having access to capital, this will be the lifeblood of your business. It will allow you to do more deals, scale larger, do quicker deals by not being constrained by not having capital. Many investors get held back because they don't have the cash to be able to buy certain real estate investment properties that would have been great additions to their portfolio and would have made them much wealthier over time as a result. Additionally, having a strong network backing you financially can give you a lot of different options to turn to when the banks aren't willing to loan you any more money. Number 12, stay internally motivated. Find what fuels you. This is where we talk about your why, what motivates you, why do you want to succeed, why do you want to make a lot of money. Figure out your deep internal motivation and have it on a postcard or somewhere on your phone screen where you can see it and remind yourself every day so that you don't give up. Don't look at your hardships as failures. Look at them as opportunities to learn and grow. Be comfortable with discomfort. For example, I was a 19-year-old, a 20-year-old, a 21-year-old. I was early on in my investment career where I probably wasn't being taken serious by a lot of grown adults. They didn't think I was serious about investing in real estate and didn't think I could actually be successful at real estate investing when I first got started. It took many years of believing in myself, continuing to put in the work before I finally found consistency and found big success in my business. And now that changed the minds of many of the people who would have told me no up front if I would have approached them to help partner with me and fund deals in my business. So as you can see, you've got to find that internal motivation that keeps driving you even when other people don't believe in you. And once you start achieving success, you'll notice that people come around, they change their mind, they change their opinion, and they may want in on the action with you. Number 13, focus on the 20% that produces 80% of the results. This is known as the 20-80 rule. So figure out what's working, which typically is the 20% that's finding success, and it's causing 80% of the success of your business, and focus on that 20% further. Number 14, the ability to take action. If you see a deal that looks good, don't be afraid to go after it. Oftentimes, people get caught up with overanalyzing and they miss out on the opportunity by taking too long to decide. Become a quick decision maker, but have the tools in your pocket to be able to make smart decisions so you don't accidentally make quick, dumb decisions. And lastly, number 15, master lead generation. The ability to market your business to find properties for sale will be important to your success, because the more properties you have coming into your funnel, the more deals you can screen and you can pick the best from the best to purchase. Same goes with tenants. The more tenant applications you have coming in, the more tenants you can screen and the better pool you have to choose from, so you can make sure you're putting high quality tenants in your properties. So generating leads starts with setting up good marketing systems, marketing yourself online and offline. So I hope these 15 tips help give you a framework of the keys to being a successful real estate investor.